Hi everyone and welcome to 180 Day 61. As you can see, I've got my friend Matt here cooking for you in the background, and we're going to talk to you today about some variety in your fat portion. You notice that there's a list of fats that you get to choose from, and now that you're into the 60s, I don't want you just choosing almonds or cashews for every single meal or drizzling olive oil on the top, because there's some creativity that you can have in your fat portions. And so we're going to give you two options that we love. I picked my favorite, Matt picked his favorite. He's busy cooking away, but mine is already done. And so I'll show you mine first. It is our basil and avocado pesto. And it smells so good. It smells like garlic. It smells like basil. It smells just like pesto, but it's not made with pine nuts like an original pesto would be made. It's made with avocado. And so the ingredients, because this is already made, is your basil, lemon. You can use fresh lemon or you can use lemon juice, garlic, fresh garlic, avocado, and olive oil. And so there is a recipe on our website. You will find it under fat. You can go look it up at evolvelifebydesign.com under recipes. And your serving size is really easy. Small is 2 teaspoons. Medium serving, 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon. It tells you right on here exactly what you can do. And my favorite thing to do is mix it with chopped up chicken breast and making that a meal for my protein and my fat. So, Matt, what do you have for everybody? Because those look better. These look like dessert. Mine looks like a meal. Yours looks like dessert. What is that?
Yeah, so these are peanut butter cookies. And so there's only 4 ingredients. You do a cup of peanut butter, a cup of Splenda, 1 whole egg, and some vanilla. You roll them into a ball just like you would a normal cookie. You smush them with a fork, and then you bake them for 10 minutes at 400. And they are amazing. And so serving sizes, we figured out that 1/2 of a cookie is for a small, 1 cookie is a medium, 1 1/2 is a large, and then 2 is an extra large. And so peanut butter cookies.
I think some of you might be getting addicted to those, but if there is a good addiction, that's a good addiction. So make sure you stick to your portion size. Here's 2 more fat options for you in your meal plan. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.